Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to extract PDF data into Excel. So open a blank workbook in Microsoft Excel. So let's go here to File, Blank Workbook, just like so. Click the Data tab on the top menu bar. So Data right here. Then let's go Get Data from a file and then from PDF, like so. Browse your local files, select your target PDF document and click import. So let's find, now I found it, so import. The navigator window will load, showing a preview of all discovered tables and pages. Click the specific table icon you want to extract. So we have it here, page 1. Okay, and click load. And yeah, it will appear right over here, column, as you can see. And yeah, this is basically how to get PDF data into Excel file. So thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.